How to scan documents with your iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the Notes app. You can find it by swiping down on your home screen and typing Notes into the search bar. Next, create a new note by tapping the New Note icon in the bottom right corner. In your blank note, tap the paperclip icon just above the keyboard, then select Scan Documents from the menu that appears. Now, point your iPhone's camera at the document you want to scan. By default, it will try to auto-detect the page edges and snap a scan for you, but you can switch to manual mode, tap Auto at the top, if you'd rather line up the shot yourself. Use the icons on the right to choose color, grayscale, black and white, or photo mode before you capture. When the yellow guide box frames your document, tap the shutter button to capture. If you like how it looks, tap Keep Scan. If not, tap Retake and try again. You can repeat this process to add multiple pages. All scans will stack in the same document. Once you've scanned everything, tap Save. To fine-tune your scan, tap the thumbnail preview in your note, then use the bottom menu to crop, switch scan modes, or apply markup tools like highlighting or drawing. When you're happy, tap Done. Finally, to share your scans as a PDF, tap the thumbnail again, tap the drop-down that says Scan Document, and select Share. Choose Mail, Messages, Files, or any other sharing option. You'll see your scans attached as a PDF ready to send. And that's it. You've just turned your iPhone into a powerful mobile scanner. If this video helped you out, drop a like, leave a comment if you have questions, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick tutorials.